Have you ever wished your phone could keep up with how fast you work, or that your smartwatch truly understood your day-to-day life? Well, things just changed because we're seeing Google roll out Android 17 and Wear OS 7. These updates are packed with features that will actually make a difference. In fact, Google is pushing its Gemini AI directly into your pocket with the latest Pixel drop. Stick around because you're about to see why Android 17 isn't just another update, it's a serious game changer for how we live and work in a modern digital landscape. Before we get rolling, if you want to stay up to speed on the latest tech updates that matter, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what features you're pumped about. Now, let's get to the action. Android 17 and Wear OS 7 aren't just our average yearly refreshers, they represent a fundamental shift in mobile computing. We're watching Google take a huge leap forward, aiming to make multitasking more powerful and AI more personal than ever before for every user. Let's kick things off with multitasking. Admit it, juggling between apps on your phone has always been a bit awkward, right? We're used to flipping back and forth, getting lost. We're constantly forgetting which app had the thing we needed. This friction slows us down, especially when we're trying to manage professional tasks on the go. At our firm, where we implement AI solutions for construction, legal, and engineering organizations, we understand the pressure of staying connected while managing high-stakes projects. We've seen firsthand how device limitations can bottleneck a team's productivity. Android 17 says goodbye to that chaos by streamlining your core workflows. With the new split-screen improvements, we can now open two apps side by side, resize them dynamically, and even drag and drop content between them seamlessly. Imagine we're at a construction site, booking a flight while comparing material costs, or copying site coordinates from an email right into Google Maps. Consider the difference. It's the difference between a jerky, stop-start engine and a smooth electric drive. Success in today's fast-paced environment depends on this efficiency. But Google isn't just stopping with phones. Wear OS 7, launching alongside Android 17, brings these multitasking smarts right to your wrist for hands-free control. Imagine we're controlling our smart home devices or checking project timelines while responding to messages, all from our watch with less tapping and more doing. This isn't just a spec bump, it's a rethink of how our devices work together when we need them most. It's about creating a truly unified experience. Now, Android 17 is also rolling out powerful parental control features. Most parents already worry about what their kids are seeing or downloading online. With the new Family Link improvements, we can set even more granular restrictions, monitor app usage in real time, or set screen time limits, all remotely. The settings follow the child's profile, not just the hardware, so whether it's a hand-me-down phone or a brand new tablet, our rules travel with them. Next up, security, a genuine concern for everyone. Android 17 adds advanced security tools that work in the background to keep our data safe without getting in the way. Android 17 introduces Private Space, a sandboxed environment for our most sensitive apps. Think of it as a digital vault within our phone. For our partners in legal and engineering, this is non-negotiable. We're seeing auto-blocking of malicious sites and smarter biometric authentication protecting us. Improved biometric authentication and smarter permission prompts make it harder for the bad guys and easier for us to stay protected every single day. But probably the headline here is what Google's doing with Gemini. Gemini is Google's next-generation AI, designed to make every interaction smarter. Through the latest Pixel drop, Gemini features are rolling out to Pixel devices. This means our phone can help us write better emails or summarize documents. It can even summarize complex legal documents or generate instant replies, all without leaving your messaging or productivity apps. Think about it. We're on a commute and we want to send a detailed update to our team. Gemini can draft that message based on our notes. It's a game changer. Or maybe we're looking for the right way to phrase a critical contract term. Gemini gets it done for us in seconds, and it's all happening right from our device. What does this mean for developers? Google's opening up more AP is so that app makers can plug directly into these new multitasking and Gemini-powered features. Over time, our favorite apps from note-taking to task managers will get smarter and easier to use thanks to the new Android 17 platform. Ultimately, Android 17 isn't just a container for our apps, it's becoming the digital nervous system for our professional life, anticipating our needs. We're also seeing massive strides in Android's desktop mode. For professionals who want to travel light, this is the holy grail. Your phone essentially becomes your workstation. We can now manage complex spreadsheets and multi-window research directly from our device. It's about maximizing our existing hardware for maximum ROI. It's protecting your data and connecting your devices in ways we only dreamed of a few years ago. It's a proactive partner in your daily workflow. With every major release, Google has the Pixel Drop exclusive software features that hit Pixel phones and watches first. This round, that means faster AI editing. We're seeing smarter call screening, adaptive battery enhancements, and even real-time translation powered by Gemini, making global collaboration easier. To wrap up, Android 17 and Wear OS 7 together draw a bold line in the sand. Google is going all in on seamless productivity and meaningful security. They are making sure our devices proactively help us instead of just reacting to our taps and swipes. This is an update you don't want to sleep on. If you learned something new today, or you're just as excited about Android 17 as we are, don't forget to drop a comment below. What's your must-have feature? Check out the related video right here in the corner for more ways AI is transforming how we all live and work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.